Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Viair Portable Air Compressor is probably one of the most essential tools for any vehicle owner, whether you're dealing with a sudden flat tire on a remote road or just need to top off your tires before a long trip. This compact powerhouse ensures you're never left stranded. Its robust construction and impressive performance make it a reliable companion for everyday use and emergency situations alike, providing peace of mind and convenience wherever you go. Number 5. Our 8-tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. Experience incredibly fast inflation with our upgraded portable air compressor. It can inflate a car tire in under a minute and even Tesla tires in just 1.5 minutes, making inflation quick and effortless. Our portable inflator features a dual digital LED display that shows real-time and preset pressure, product status, and any errors. This advanced system ensures safe and accurate inflation every time. Constructed with high-quality materials and an optimal cooling system, this 12V air compressor is built to last. Its sturdy design and premium cords ensure reliable performance for years to come. Using it is as simple as connect, preset, and start. It automatically stops when the desired pressure is reached and remembers your settings for next time. Plus, it includes emergency lighting modes. This compact inflator is perfect for on-the-go use. It comes with a convenient carrying bag for easy storage and transport, making it ideal for cars, bikes, balls, and more. You'll receive the inflator, a carrying bag, various adapters, and a user manual. It's backed by a 2-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This inflator offers incredibly fast inflation, perfect for those who need to get back on the road quickly. Its dual digital display provides clear, real-time pressure readings, and its durable construction ensures longevity. If you're looking for speed and reliability for your car, EV, or motorcycle, this is a great choice. What people say. Half the size as old one and more powerful. Fast and powerful with easy controls, love carrying case for trunk. The electrical cord was of sufficient length to reach all 4 tires. Clasp that latches onto tire stem worked very well and was easy to manipulate. It inflated very quickly for its size. I like the settings which let you adjust it to your desired max pressure. It has a light built-in. Powerful, convenient and easy to use. Once the desired pressure is reached, the inflator automatically shuts off. Filled all 4 tires about 6 pounds each in a matter of a few minutes. Everything easily fit into the storage case and underneath my car seat. Number 4. Viair 84P Portable Air Compressor. Introducing the Viair 84P, a heavy-duty portable air compressor designed for your car, truck, or SUV. It's perfect for on-the-go inflation needs. This 12V pump delivers robust performance, ensuring you can quickly inflate your tires wherever you are. It's built for durability and ease of use. Keep track of your tire pressure with the integrated 100 psi gauge. It provides accurate readings for optimal tire health and safety. Featuring a convenient LED work light, this compressor makes it easy to operate even in low light conditions. The light also serves as a power indicator. The press-on chuck ensures a secure and straightforward connection to your tire valve. Inflation starts with a simple push. Powering up is a breeze with the included accessory power plug, designed to fit standard cigarette lighter sockets. It provides a stable power source for the unit. Everything you need is neatly organized in the deluxe carry bag. It makes storage and transport simple and convenient. What we like. This is a heavy-duty option built for demanding use, featuring a robust construction and a convenient press-on chuck for secure connection. The integrated LED work light is a practical addition for nighttime use. If you own a car, truck, or SUV and need a dependable, no-frills inflator for regular use, this model is a solid pick. What people say. The Viair 85P inflates tires fast. For convenience, i.e. cigarette lighter power, the 85P things cannot be beat. The built-in pressure gauge is a nice touch and seems pretty accurate, agrees with some of my other gauges to within a few psi. The high-quality brass screw-on hose end is one of the best features of the 85P. It works flawlessly and is super easy to use. The 12V power cable is long enough to plug into the cigarette lighter and still reach all 4 tires, even on relatively large vehicles. Well-built quality unit, not a piece of junk that won't last. Inflates tires fast and is not excessively loud and can inflate up to 60 psi. Built-in pressure gauge surprisingly accurate. I'm sold on the screw-on chuck. Number 3. Cordless air pump for car tires. Get your tires to the perfect pressure in seconds. This device allows for precise inflation and deflation, ensuring safe and efficient travel in any condition. One charge is enough to inflate many tires or balls. It's dependable for home, outdoor adventures, or unexpected roadside emergencies, providing reliable power support. Simply select your mode and pressure, and it does the rest. It even remembers your last setting for quick, one-click inflation without overinflation worries. Inflate and deflate from any angle with the flexible hose. Integrated LED lights provide illumination and warning signals for nighttime use. It's more than just an air pump, it also functions as a power bank for your devices and a flashlight. The built-in gauge ensures you always know your tire pressure. This portable device is the ultimate companion for any journey, offering convenience and peace of mind wherever you go. What we like. Enjoy the ultimate freedom with its cordless design and high-capacity battery, capable of inflating numerous tires on a single charge. It also doubles as a power bank for your devices. If you prioritize portability, convenience, and the ability to charge your phone on the go, especially for outdoor activities or travel, this is the one for you. What people say. Topping off our bike tires with air has never been easier. We highly recommend it. It makes filling tires up with air a breeze, and it can be stored almost anywhere since it's small and compact. It's easy to use, open the box and connect the pipe and that's it. The battery is pre-charged, or can use with USB or car charger to charge before use. Plug into the tires and turn it on, it'll shut off the air flow when reaching the set pressure. It's powerful and saving time from going to any auto shop or anywhere else. It's great to carry with my car in case anytime we need it. Very easy and convenient to inflate car tires, must-have kit for daily commuters. The tire pressure readings perfectly matched my tire pressure meter. Really great product. Number 2. Dual Power Portable Air Compressor. Inflate a standard car tire in just 1 minute with this powerful device. It can reach up to 150 psi, quickly filling cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and balls. Save time and get back on the road faster. Enjoy the freedom of cable-free inflation anytime, anywhere. It also supports DC 12V car power for dependable backup. This ensures it stays functional during extended use, offering both portability and reliability. Easily view real-time and preset pressure on the dual LCD screens. Switch between 4 units, SI, kPa, bar, kg cm superscript 2, for ultimate convenience. Achieve perfect tire pressure every time with pinpoint accuracy. Effortlessly inflate bicycle tires, motorcycle tires, car tires, or sports balls with its intelligent modes. Simply preset your desired pressure, and it automatically stops when reached for a safe and reliable experience. More than just an inflator, it features a bright LED flashlight with strobe mode for emergencies. Its compact, lightweight design makes it easy to carry anywhere. Be ready for anything with this versatile device. What we like. This inflator offers the best of both worlds with dual power options, battery or 12V DC. Its precision dual LCD screen ensures accurate pressure readings, and its compact, lightweight design makes it incredibly easy to carry. If you need a versatile inflator that works both cordlessly and with your car's power, and you value precise inflation for various vehicles and inflatables, this is an excellent option. What people say. The Viair 450P is a great portable air compressor for off-roading. It can inflate a 35-inch tire from 20 to 30 psi in about 2 minutes. This compressor is built with a durable metal casing and a braided stainless steel leader hose, making it a reliable choice for frequent use. The 450P comes with a 25-foot power cord and a 16-foot air hose, providing ample reach for all 4 tires on most vehicles. Number 1. Viair 440P Portable Compressor Kit. Introducing the Viair 440P Portable Compressor Kit, your ultimate solution for tire inflation on the go. This powerful device is designed for efficiency and convenience. Operating on a 12-volt system, it delivers a maximum working pressure of 150 psi. Remember to keep your engine running while in use for optimal performance. With an impressive 3.00 CFM free flow at 0 psi, it ensures rapid inflation. This means less waiting time and more time for your adventures. It comes neatly packed in a durable canvas carrying case, making it easy to transport. Powering it up is simple with the included alligator clamps. This compressor is perfect for off-road vehicles with tires up to 37 inches. It provides the power you need to keep those large tires properly inflated. Included is a coil hose with a convenient clamp-on tire chuck and built-in gauge. You'll have everything you need for accurate and easy tire inflation. What we like. Engineered for power, this compressor can handle large tires up to 37 inches and offers a high PSI for robust inflation. It powers directly from your vehicle's battery via alligator clamps, making it ideal for off-road enthusiasts. If you have larger vehicles, frequently go off-roading, and need a powerful, direct connect compressor, this kit is built for your adventures. What people say. 3 8-inch connectors as opposed to 1 4-inch on the other units. This allows the use of higher quality hoses etc. Note that the hose with this unit has no stay out of sun warnings and should not kink as others have reported. 3.0 CFM capacity is 20% to 50% above the 88P, 400P and 450P. While duty capacity is limited to 33% at the high CFM rate, fill time should be very quick. Large battery clips will attach to the regular battery post without modification and the heavy gauge wire should hold up. Plus in the middle of the night or with a strange vehicle I really don't want to track down a smaller bolt somewhere to put the smaller clamps on. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.